These are gamma apparent, volume of liquid expanded by initial volume of liquid into change in temperature. Gamma apparent equal to mass of liquid expanded by remaining mass of liquid into change in temperature. If H2, H1 are heights of liquid column, in U tube. If H2, H1 are heights of liquid column in U tube. Then gamma real you have not done now.
No, sir.
So you are filling the liquid. This is H2 at T2 temperature. This is H1 at T1 temperature. Okay. Then the pressure here and here. What is the pressure at A, pressure at B? Or direct formula you want to join? Direct formula is good. Gamma equal to H2 minus gamma real. H1 T2 minus H2 T1. This gamma real. Okay?
Okay.
లెక్క చేద్దామా?
हाँ सर, पूरे नको करो सर, जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो इस करो सर, उसमें से थोड़े बहुत कर लिया सर।
विजन में आप करना, आप करे तो डाउट्स
हाँ।
पूछ,
हाँ सर, करे सर एक्सरसाइज।
सॉलिड हो जाता आपको पैसा।
हाँ सर।
पिक्चर करे तो कोई वही स्टोरी रिपीट होता। एक्सरसाइज 2 कर लिया पूरा?
हाँ सर।
नहीं
मैं
करे?
क्या एक्सपेंशन ऑफ लिक्विड्स क्या करना है सर, सॉलिड्स होगा पूरा।
सॉलिड्स थर्मोमीटर खत्म करा,
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
लिक्विड्स करना है।
थोड़े करना है।
Sir, can you tell the important models, sir?
మళ్ళా అదే దానికి వచ్చింది మీరు మోడల్స్ అట్లా అన్ని చేయాలి మీరు.
No,
Sir,
sir.
in exercise 2, question number 29 and 32. sir.
మీరు అన్ని చేస్తే చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి, प्रैक्टिस అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు. सो पढ़े तो पढ़ के आप करें तो क्या होता, प्रैक्टिस होता। दो तीन चार प्रॉब्लम मॉडल्स करे तो वही नया था, वो ऐसा फिजिक्स में ऐसा नया था। अब करना पूरा
No, sir.
एक्सरसाइज करे तो सीट कैसा होते, एटलीस्ट 2 करना। हाँ एंगा लिखो।
Sir, question number 29 and 32 in exercise 2.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 and 32 in exercise 2
Yes, sir.
आप क्या करना, एक्सरसाइज 2 कंपलसरी आप ही करना, डाउट्स पूछना। एक्सरसाइज 3 माइक शुरू करते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 2 कंपलसरी करना, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम होगा। अब एग्जाम में कुछ नहीं आता आपको, एक्सरसाइज 2 नहीं करे तो। 29th question. A steel scale is corrected 0 degree Celsius. Okay. Length of the brass tube measured by it. Brass tube measured by steel scale. At 40 degrees Celsius is 4.5 meters. Stove steel scale corrected 0. Okay. So scale, steel scale calibrated at 0 degrees Celsius. Hello? But you are measuring it (40 degrees Celsius). So, but measured at 40 degrees Celsius as 4.5 meter. क्या होते, steel scale actually showing corrected 0, but आप where you are measuring at 40 degrees Celsius, you are measuring. So steel scale expands or not? Expands, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Steel scale expands. Expands means whatever the divisions are there. Steel scale है ना? Whatever the division, these are the divisions. These divisions will move far apart, like this. They will move far apart. दूर दूर चले आता, the divisions. So length of the scale will increase. So whatever you are measuring 4.5, the steel scale measures lesser reading. Why? Why? Length of the scale will increase, no?
Yes,
So it's lesser reading, not more reading. So that means your correct length or true length is less than observed length. So, what is the true length then? Observed length plus error. Correct? So, now, what is observed length? 4.5. This is L naught. How much? L naught into alpha into delta T.
So here, which alpha we should take?
Yeah. So L naught is common. Or here, which is now alpha means alpha
Steel.
scale. Scale is what here? Scale minus alpha brass. Scale, this is object into delta T. Observed length कितना 4.5, correct? This is 4. Scale का कितना 11, correct? Brass का कितना 19 into 10 to the power of
-6.
-6. Change in temperature कितना 40,
40.
है ना?
Yes.
आप क्या हो तो
L naught minus no sir.
4.5. This is 11 minus 19 इधर minus आता. Correct? हाँ? तो minus आगे देखो. అంతే ना? ఎంత అయితే చెప్పు 4.5 9/2 ఇది ఎంత 8 8 into 4 into 10 to the power of -5 correct huh?
Yes.
2 2s are 4.5 minus and 16 9s are 144 then 10 to the power of -5 10 to the power of -5 is what
0.001.
0 point correct
Yes.
so क्या होता 4.5.00144 correct
This is 4.50.
there huh
Yes.
so 6 this is what 9 here also 9 8 correct 9 either 4 4.49 third option huh?
Yes.
4.499 right answer correct
Yes.
सर 41 भी कर सकते हैं.
ऐसा आप करके डाउट्स पूछो तब मजा आता हाँ
Sir,
हाँ
I did the same sum, sir, but I took only one alpha value and I got the same answer.
okay to take one alpha value
Sir, can I send it to you on WhatsApp?
okay that will talk personally okay yeah ये को कैसा आता है ऐसा maybe approximately you got it I think approximate no this also we did approximate 4.4
No, sir. Delta delta
Huh?
t value we should take 0 minus 40, and if you take alpha value as 11 into 10 power minus 6, we are getting 4.49 only.
Maybe. Next 32 बाकी का कर लिए रे 31 आ गए ना
Yes.
Yes, sir.
32 देखो ऐसा देखो she is done and she is asking doubts. That's very good. करके आप डाउट पूछना, डाउट नहीं पूछे तो वे नया था मार्क्स. स्टील बॉल इनिशियल एट प्रेशर ऑफ इनिशियल प्रेशर कितना है 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Is heated from 20 to 120. So delta T how much? 100 degree Celsius. Keeping its volume constant, correct? Find the pressure inside the ball. Coefficient of linear expansion of the steel is coefficient of linear expansion of the steel. Alpha steel is how much? 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree Celsius. Okay. And the bulk modulus 1.6 in 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. So, quotient of is asking what? Find the pressure inside the ball. Bulk modulus is equal to delta P by delta V by V. But what is a gamma? Gamma equal to delta V by V into delta T. So delta P equal to K into delta V by V. Delta V by V equal to gamma delta T. This is gamma delta T is delta P. So pressure inside minus pressure outside is K. K is 16 into 10 to the power of 10. A point निकाल दिया. And gamma is 3 alpha. Okay? 3 alpha. This is 3 alpha. Delta T is 100. So 16 into this is 3 into alpha is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of what? 12. So 16 into 36 into 10 to the power of 6. ये मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना था
5.76 into the power 8.
36 6 7 5 हाँ Bambino ఏదో ఉంది. So this is 5.76 into 10 to the power of 8. No, 5.8 into 10 to the power of 8.
Yes.
ఇంకా लिक्विड साफ करते हैं मैं करूं
We'll do
The
So we'll
41st
ask tomorrow.
question.
41 वाला सर.
एक्सरसाइज 3 करूं मैं स्टार्ट करूं
Sir, exercise.
सर 41 वाला
The
करो सर.
exercise to 41 questions.
बेटी छोड़ो हां
Exercise 2 for 41 question करके exercise 2.
एक्सरसाइज टू 41 देखो शी इज डूइंग नाइसली सो अभी करो, ऐसा पूरा करके डाउट्स पूछना। अब देखो एलेक्ट वाला ऐसा आते हैं तुम्हारा बाद में, कैसा पूछते देखो, ऐसा रहना। तब वो मेडिसिन नको बोले तो मेडिसिन पुलिस वाला आके लेके आता ऐसा। हाँ 41 देखो, a barometer with brass scale, हाँ barometer का करेक्ट। So barometer का 1 HT equals to, because otherwise you have to do derivation. Without derivation means I cannot remember orally the formula. The formula for barometer. Yeah. The barometer formula is H naught equal to H into 1 minus gamma minus alpha into T. Correct? Brass scale of barometer usually calibrated 0 degrees. If the observation is taken different, then the correct needed for brass scale. Suppose the height of the mercury at 0 degrees is H naught. The observed scale at T degrees is H. This is H is observed reading at T degrees. H naught is, okay, true reading at T degrees. Okay, that's all. Now gamma is the quotient of mercury, that everybody knows. Okay, now see the question. 41. A barometer with a brass scale corrected 0 reads 70 centimeters. 70 centimeters on a day when air temperature is 40. So, he's observing at 40 degrees. How much is observing? 40 degrees. So, this is observing how much? 70 centimeters. This is at 40 degrees. He's asking what is the actual reading. This he is asking. Gamma value, everything is given. So true reading equal to 71 minus what is the gamma of mercury is 18 into 10 to the power of -5 minus linear expansion of the brass. 18 3s are 36. No, 36 and 18 only, correct? Alpha no. 10 to the power of -6 into temperature is 40. Okay? 70 minus 70 into 40 into 10 to the power of -5, 18 minus 1.8. Hello? ఎంత 228 10 to the power of -3. 18 minus 1.8. 10 minus 8, 2. ఎంత 7 minus
16.2.
16.2. 70 minus 16.2 into 10 to the power of -3. This is into 16.2, correct? एक करो तो आपको आंसर आया था, कैलकुलेशन करो. Next, want me to go to exercise 3 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, exercise 3, question number 13.
పిల్ల ఫాస్ట్ ఉంది రెడీ.
Sir, exercise 3, seventh one, sir.
ఆ పిల్ల దాని ఎలైట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మీరంతా ఇక్కడే ఉంటారు. ఎవరు మంచి చదువుతా వాళ్ళు ఎలైట్లోకి తీసుకుపోతారు. ఇంత రన్నింగ్ రేస్ ఇది. जो अच्छा करता है वो अच्छा आगे जाता. एक्सरसाइज 3 नहीं करे तो यही रहता. हाँ, एक्सरसाइज 3 करो. एक्सरसाइज 3 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, somebody asked, I think I ticked it. Next, question number 4, question number 7. है मगर पूरा एक्सरसाइज 3 कितना है अप टू लिक्विड्स मैक्सिमम कितना है 31. सो हम पूरा कर सकते हैं नहीं रे. 30 प्रॉब्लम्स मींस एवरेज ऑफ 10 प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हैं. हम पीछे से आएंगे.
अच्छा
हाँ चलो पीछे से आएंगे. पीछे टफ रहता ना. चलो
और इजी भी है.
हाँ
करो सर.
हाँ now you select exercise 3 31 problem. A spherical shell of copper is completely filled with a liquid at a temperature T.
Sir, we'll do liquid. No, sir, we did not do liquid.
So you start from question number 20, sir.
Yes, sir.
Liquid nako.
तो करो.
So once we'll
liquid
try
will-
liquid and then
लिक्विड का
Liquid solid everything exercise 3 आप कर सकते हैं.
नहीं सर, सॉलिड से स्टार्ट करो भर रहे, लिक्विड्स कल करेंगे भर रहे. 20 से स्टार्ट करो सर.
20 से स्टार्ट करो. चलो ठीक है जैसा आपका मर्जी. हाँ 20. A wire of length L0 is supplied heat to raise temperature by T. Okay, then delta L कितना? L0 alpha delta T, नहीं? So this is L0 alpha. Rise its temperature only by T कहते हैं. ठीक है. If gamma is a coefficient of volume expansion of the wire. Okay. Y is the Young's modulus of the then energy density. So energy stored per unit volume, correct? Energy stored per unit volume. What is the energy stored per unit volume? U. Half into stress into strain, correct? Half. Stress बोले तो क्या होता? Now you know Y equal to stress by strain. Stress equal Y into so Y into strain square. So Y by 2 strain means delta L by L. Y by 2 delta L by L A is alpha T. So alpha T whole square. Y by 2 alpha कितना gamma by 3 नहीं
यस सर.
बस. So y gamma square T square by 9 2 से 18 ना. समझ गया ना? हाँ? Now question number 19. Two thin metal strips, one brass and other iron, are fastened together parallel to each other. हम लोग करें ना radius of curvature. What is the curvature of bimetallic strip? D by alpha 1 minus alpha 2 into delta T. Thickness of each strip. Two thin metal strips, one brass and other, are fastened together. The thickness of each strip बोल रहा है, means दो मिला कितना होता है 2 mm होता है, नहीं? By radius, हाँ, heated by 80 degrees. And what is the value? 19 minus 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Delta T is how much? 18. 80. Correct? Radius 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. कितना है?
7.
7.
7 into 8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Correct? 2 4s are 28 minus 3 a minus 3 बोलो तो 100 ऊपर नहीं 100 by 28 a meter है meter only 100 by 28 कितना है 3 point chiller 3.12 correct.
So, but the answer is given as 1.7.
He has taken this D as 1. Then you will get 1.78. But he has given now thickness of each strip bola.
तो स्ट्रिप में 2 लिया है.
Question में and the, according to the question he has not solved. दोनों मिला के रहता ना D.
Yes.
We should not convey the message wrongly. He is also teacher by chance. घर में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया कुछ हो जाता नहीं ऐसा 18. Question number 18. A thin circular metal disc of radius 500 millimeters set rotating about central axis, normal to its plane upon rising its temperature gradually. Okay, radius increases. First radius of the disc is 500 millimeter. Now radius is how much? Anta 507. 0.5 millimeter. Okay. The percentage change in rotational kinetic energy. Rotational kinetic energy पूछ रहे हैं. Rotational kinetic energy क्या है? Half I omega square. Correct? So you know this also you can write I square omega square by 2I. But I omega is angular momentum, L square by 2A. So, rotational angular momentum always constant. So, the rotational kinetic energy inversely proportional to moment of inertia. So, K2 by K1 is equal to I1 by I2. M R1 square, M R2 square. Correct? So, percentage change बोला. Change बोला तो K2 minus K1 by K1 into 100. So, K2 minus K1 minus 1 into 100. K2 by K1 क्या है? This is R1 by R2 whole square. What is R1 by R2 दे दिया ना? नहीं?
500 by 500 7.5.
So 500 by 507, huh? Correct?
Whole square.
Whole square. देखो 507 by 5 this one. कैसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग 500 plus 7.5. मैं उल्टा करो, उल्टा
Yes, sir.
1 plus square है 1 plus x whole power n is 1 plus nx. So a1 plus 7.5 by 500 whole square. This is 1 plus nx means 1 plus 15 by 500. Correct? So हम क्या लिख सकते हैं उसको 1 plus 30 by 1000. हाँ? 1.03. Correct? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
नहीं तो आप ऐसी लिखो. This is there, no? ये क्या होता उल्टा हो जाता है ये नहीं उल्टा उल्टा मीन्स 1 plus 7.5 by 500 whole power minus 2 होता K2 by K ये हम लोग 507.5 by 500 कर लिए ये उल्टा है ना -2 -1 into 100. अब देखो कैसा निकलता है ये करें तो क्या होता 1 plus ये -2 है ना -15 by 500 minus this is -1 into 100. जो होता है माइनस माइनस कैंसिल है ना माइनस माइनस कैंसिल होता क्या होता है -15 by 5 100 से मल्टीप्लाई -3% देखो या 18.4 करेक्ट है ना
Sir, they gave -3, sir.
या -3 है नेक्स्ट 17 छोड़ो मत किसी का नहीं छोड़ना आप कंपटीशन हमेशा मन में क्या रहना एलाइट बैच वो लोगों को आप क्या करना टफ फाइट देना है ना एमी चेक सीट नहीं आता ऐसा करे तो हाँ मन में वही रहना एलाइट लोगों को कैसा बीट करना ऐसा a sphere of coefficient of linear expansion alpha mass m and radius r is spinning about its axis through diameter with an angular velocity omega where it is heated such that its temperature increases by delta t. Angular velocity becomes okay angular velocity angular momentum is I omega or I dash omega dash. Angular momentum always remains constant. This is before rise temperature, after rise. He is asking what is angular velocity becomes. So omega dash equal to I by I dash into omega. I means m L square. This is what? Radius only, m r square by m r dash square into omega. So omega dash is r by r dash whole square into omega. Now r by r dash. So you're heating now. R by r dash means r into 1 plus alpha delta theta. Hello? So omega dash equal to 1 omega by 1 plus alpha delta t whole square. है ना बेटा? So binomial approximate करें तो क्या होता? Omega by 1 plus 2 alpha delta. देखा? Question number 16. Steel rod at 40 is observed to be 1 meter long. Steel rod at 40. Observed length is 1 meter. When measured by brass scale, which is calibrated. Calibrated कहाँ है? At 0. So correct length of the steel rod at 0. Okay. So definitely ये 0 में बना दिया, आप 40 में मेजर करें. 0 में बना के आप 40 में मेजर करें तो क्या होता? स्केल एकदम बढ़ जाता ना भाई. Scale
Yes.
एकदम बढ़ता and divisions also will move far apart. So क्या होता? वो कम दिखता ना, ज्यादा नहीं दिखता, नहीं? So your correct length will be observed length plus error होगा. So observed length plus error means L0 alpha scale minus alpha into delta. है ना भाई? So L0 कितना है? 1. A1. ये कितना है? ये सेंटीमीटर दे दिया उन्होंने. 100 सेंटीमीटर. ये भी 100. अल्फा स्टील कितना है स्केल?
12.
12 minus 19 10 to the power of minus 6 into change in temperature 40. 100 ये माइनस हो जाता. ये 4 1 ये 2 zeros 3 zeros हो जाता. -3. ये कितना होता? 7. या 100 minus 28. 9.028. Correct? 100 minus 0.028 क्या है? Point 028. नहीं? A2, A7, A9, A99. Correct? 99.972. Third option, huh? हाँ?
Yes.
देखा मैं कैसा करा? सिंपल, ज्यादा डिस्कशन है. नेक्स्ट 15. आप करें तो सीट आ जाता, मैं करे तो आपको थोड़ा क्लास टाइम में नॉलेज जाता, बाद में कुछ नहीं आता. वो समझो. ओके, ट्राई टू डू मोर. ఐరన్ బాల్ ఆఫ్ డయామీటర్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్. ప్రణీత్ చెప్తున్నాడు, సార్ ఇవన్నీ చేసిన సార్ ఒకటి రోజులు అయిపోయినాయి అన్నాడు వాడు. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలని అంటే ఒక అసైన్మెంట్ ఇవ్వట్టు. అర్థమైందా? వాడు బోర్ వస్తుందట అట్లుండాలి. ఐరన్ బాల్ ఆఫ్ డయామీటర్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్. సరే, ఐరన్ బాల్ diameter 6 centimeter and is 0.01 mm too large. So iron diameter ball ka this is 6 centimeter. Okay, and brass hole, this is a brass, this is iron. So this is having hole. This is less than 6 centimeter. समझ गया ना? Now this iron ball has to pass through this. Okay, कितना कम है उसका? 0.01 mm कम है कहते हैं. ठीक है. So when the temperature कहाँ है first at 20 degrees Celsius. So what temperature we have to take such that the ball passes through it. So when you are increasing the temperature, call it brass का expand होता नहीं, iron का भी expand होता नहीं. So whatever the expansion, that should be equal to expansion of the brass minus expansion of iron. कितना होना आपको net expansion कितना होना? 0.01 mm होना. 0.01 mm हो तो कितना सेंटीमीटर है वो?
10 to the power
हाँ?
-4
10 to the power -3.
10 to the power of -3 centimeter. Brass बोले तो what is the brass? हाँ.
So why delta L of brass minus delta L of iron, sir?
Here you are increasing the temperature. So brass expands as well as iron. दोनों expand हो रहा ना. खाली iron expand है हो रहा. So whatever you raise the temperature, the दोनों expand होके iron ball बाहर चले जाना, है ना?
So coefficient of linear expansion for brass is greater, that's why it's brass -1.
हाँ. Brass expands more, no?
Yes.
Sir, we can also say that for them to pass through each other, the expansion should be
Original L समझो. This is L. This is alpha brass into delta T. This is also L समझो. Alpha iron delta T. L delta T common. Alpha brass minus alpha iron. That should be equal to this 10 to the power of -3. L is कितना है? 6 centimeter. Delta T कितना है? T2 minus T1. हाँ. ब्रास कितना बोला उन्होंने? 18. आयरन का 12.
12.
Into 10 to the power of
-6.
-6. हाँ, कितना होता? -3 ए -3. ये -3 इधर आया तो क्या होता? 1000 होता. ए 6 ये कितना है? 6 36 into T minus 20 है ना? So 4 9s are 4 250, correct? 250 by 9 T minus 20, taking T equal to 250 by 20. कितना है? 250 plus 180 by 9. ఎంత? 250 plus 180
450 by 9.
0 13. 430 by 9. Huh?
Yes, sir.
4.8.
हाँ
48.
but ये रहा था 9 4s are 36. 36 बोले तो
70.
770 रहता
अप्रॉक्स 48 पॉइंट आता कुछ तो है।
approximately. है
हाँ सर।
है ना सेकंड ऑप्शन है.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट 14 देखो.
Sir, time is up.
हाँ
Yes.
meter scale is to be ruled so that हाँ వస్తున్నా ఒక్క నిమిషం దేవుని దండం పెట్టు. meter scale you are ruling how much ruled so that each is 1 millimeter. This each one is 1 millimeter. So length of this is how much 1 mm. Each ruling this 1 mm, so that it is accurate within 5 and 10 to the power of -5. Means when you increase the temperature, how much it able to expand? Delta L is L alpha delta T. Delta L कितना 5 into 10 to the power of -5 mm. L कितना 1 mm. Alpha कितना 10 to the power of -5 per Kelvin. Per Kelvin per degree Celsius same. Why?
Same. Difference है।
Range दोनों का सेम है. Delta T. What is the change in temperature? पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. So mm cancel. -5 -5. So delta T कितना 5 degrees or 5 Kelvin. समझ गया ना? So we have done up to back से 14 करा या तो पूरा. आप क्या करो? Expansion of
Liquids.
exercise 2 at any cost. Exercise 2 कौन करना?
हम।
बच्चे करना. Exercise 2 और नहीं करे, better close the this thing and go to shop को ला करो. Exercise 2 आपका है, मेरा नहीं है. Exercise 3 भी elite वाले नो कोई नहीं पूछते, एक दो पूछते, but concession is there. Okay, Exercise 3, I can do it, no problem.
ओके सर,
समझ गया
थैंक
ना?
यू सर, बाय सर।
2
Yes,
and 3 दोनों करना, डाउट्स पूछना.
हाँ सर,
चलो.
बाय सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.